for you guys. 2 handbag hauls coming. The second one is actually a 90s inspired bags. I went rummaged through SHEIN trying to find cute 90s inspired bags, and I'm pretty sure I found, I think, 4 or 5 of them. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. I will be posting that video real soon. The first one is this bag right here. This reminds me of the Hermes bags. Like, they're so cute but so affordable. I don't remember how much this was, but I will link everything down below in the description box. So this is the first one right here. It's bright neon orange. Okay, it's brighter than this shirt, and it's also darker than this shirt. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but the orange that's here is like a dark, this is darker than this, but this is how it looks. It has this croc print on it, literally all over, and it's just beautiful. It also comes with the I don't know what the name of that is, the handle to make it like a side bag. Yeah, it's inside. I don't feel like opening it, but yeah, this is how it looks. I probably wouldn't wear it with the bag thing though. I would just hold it like this because it's really, it just looks more adorable this way. It looks really nice, like really nice. So that's that bag. The next bag I'm gonna show you guys is this one right here. It's a little bent up because it was in the bags, it was in the box. Look at, I don't know, yeah, it's a little bent up. I'm gonna fix it. I just have to, so it's really easy to fix it. Just stuff some tissue in it. But this is the next bag, and I also can't seem to remove this plastic thing on the top of it. This is the next bag right here. I think this bag is really beautiful, and the way to open it, you just twist it. You twist it this way, and then it opens up. Let me see. Oh, it has like the tissue on the inside to just, you know, hold its shape. This also comes with the handle bag, so you can make it a side bag. And it doesn't have any, oh yes it does. It has like one pocket on the inside right here, maybe like a mentor card or something for that. It's very spacious, this one. This bag has a lot of space, and oh, it's so cute. And it's also like a beige color. I don't know how it's coming off on camera. Oh, and it also comes with these things, so you can basically just sit down the bag on like a table or something, and it doesn't like fall over or anything like that. Very nice, and it also seems like very good quality. This, it also has the little croc print on it as well, just like the last bag. So here is the next one, and you guys, this one is my favorite one. It came really smushed though, like it was almost flat. I put tissue in here, like, yeah, let's put tissue in there. This is so adorable, like it's so cute. And I also think it comes with straps as well. I wouldn't wear it with the straps. I would just hold it because it just looks good. This is how the bag looks, and it's the same way you open all the other ones. You just twist it, and I think, yeah, twist it and then open it. Let me see how the inside look. Oh yeah, see, I threw a towel in there to hold its shape, but it has no pockets. It's just empty. Everything's like this. Yeah, it's really nice. One of my favorite purchases would be this one, also because of the color. I also purchased this because I actually have nothing like this. Like, I don't have nothing in this color. Yeah, I have to find like a whole outfit to go with this, but this is the next bag. But I've actually seen this in a lot of people's hauls on YouTube, and I think that's why it inspired me to get it, because it actually looks really nice. All the other bags I basically rummaged through SHEIN just to saw what I liked, but this one I actually saw on a haul, and then I literally ran to SHEIN and looked it up and put it in my cart. So this, why is it coming off as that color? Like, it's like a dark orange, and it's coming off as yellow to me, or like yellow orange on camera, but it's like a dark neon orange. Yeah, it's a neon orange, and it's so cute. Like, this also has the strap. as well. And the strap for this is really nice. It's different than the other straps, okay? Because it actually has the orange part, and then it has the metal parts on the side. So it looks really nice, and you just basically hook the ends to each side right here. But like I said, I probably won't be using this. Probably gonna be using it like this. The bag is beautiful. It's literally just a snap and then it closes. And also this one doesn't have any pockets on the inside either, but it does have a zipper. So the zipper just closes. I mean, it still has like the opening there, but it does close the zipper right there. And my favorite part is that it does have this strap thing, and the strap design is nice other than the other ones. So yeah, it's pretty cute. The next one is this right here. I told you guys I have a lot of those Hermes inspired bags, okay? Because they're just cute. They're just really cute. This one came all bent up, oh my god, but I can fix it. I can fix it. So this is the next bag right here. This is yellow. It's coming off as orange on camera. So it also has this thing right here. I like this. Something about this I really like. So I would not be removing it. I actually like this piece on my bags. So this, it has the lock thing to open it, and you don't really need a key. You just pull it down and it opens. Yeah, you just pull it. You saw that. Pull it down, twist, and the lock comes off, and then it just opens up. Or then you twist it and open it. Oh my god, opens up the same as the other bag, except that this one has the lock. And also, if you do end up like losing the little lock thing, because I'm pretty sure it can happen, you will still be able to close the bag. So it's not like just the only way to close the bag, but the lock is more, I think the lock is more like an accessory, because you can still lock the bag, you can still close the bag. So even if you do lose the lock, you can close it. Okay, so this is the next bag. Also comes with the whole, you know, thing to be able to sit. And this one has like mini croc embossed. You see what I mean by it's bent? Oh my god, I have to fix that. But really nice. Comes with straps as well. Yeah, I think I said that, but has straps. This one I might actually put over my shoulders, and like unlike the other ones, only because I don't know, I feel like it would look nicer if you just as a side bag, you know. This one I like it because it's pretty simple, and it's gonna be my everyday bag. I've actually been looking for a new bag to use. I came across this one on SHEIN, so got it. It's this bag right here, and I connected the straps. It comes with the straps, so yeah, you could just connect and disconnect the straps as well. You can hold it like satchel or something like that, but I put it with this because this is how I'm going to be using it. One, the straps is beautiful. It has that metal black, like it's all twisted up, really nice. This is going to be my everyday bag. Also, you can see it's pretty big. Like, you see my hands? Pretty big. It has a lot of space on the inside. It does not have any extra. Oh yes, it does. Why do I keep saying that? I need to read. I said read. I need to like look. It does have like one thing right there, so it does have extra space in it, so you can separate stuff. But yeah, you always need an everyday bag, and I think this one is the perfect bag for that. Oh my god, it's so bent up. But I think this is literally the perfect bag for that. That is the last bag I got for this haul. Comment down below if you want another SHEIN haul, and I hope to see you guys next time.